Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Hitachi air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button. With its help we can turn the air conditioner off and on. When the air conditioner remote control is standby mode, the screen only shows which mode it is in. The air conditioner remote control consists of two parts, those above and below the cover. This button on the cover is used to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. The air conditioner has 4 speeds. Each time this button is pressed, we switch to the next speed. The sequence is as follows: high, medium, low, auto. This button is designed to lower the temperature of the air conditioner, and this one is designed to raise it. Using this blue button we can move the blinds of the air conditioner up and down or stop it in any position. This is the sleep button, and it is recommended to use it when getting ready to sleep. Here, each time this button is pressed, the screen will show how many hours the air conditioner will turn off after. Now let's look at the buttons under the remote control cover. This is the mode button, and with its help we can change the modes of the air conditioner. The air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, fan, auto, heating, dry. Since most users use the air conditioner for cooling, we will first explain this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake symbol appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to the cooling mode. In this mode, we recommend that you set the temperature between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. Staying in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time can cause a cold. When we press the mode button once, a fan icon appears on the remote control screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode, the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner always keeps the room temperature around 24 degrees. When the temperature rises above 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode, and when it drops below, it will work in heating mode. We press the mode button once, we switch to heating mode. In this mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees. Because hot air accumulates at the top, it will cause the air conditioner to turn off and on more often. We recommend setting the air conditioner fan speed to auto, because in this case the air conditioner fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor according to the condensation pressure, and the air conditioner will work more efficiently. At the same time, the evaporator will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. When you press the mode button again, a water droplet image will appear on the screen. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. When you press the mode button again, we switch to the cooling mode. Now I will show you how to set the clock. We press the clock button, and we see that the letter M and D are flashing here. The letter M indicates the month of the year, and the letter D indicates the day of the month. For example, today is June 25. After pressing this button, we select the month of the day. With the help of this button, June is 6th month of the year. That is, M should be 6 and D should be 25. When those numbers appear on the screen, we press the clock button again to confirm. And now we set the time to, for example, 11 o'clock, AM 11, and press the clock button again. We press this button again for confirm. There are two timers on this remote control. Timer on is for turning on the air conditioner at a specific time. For example, we will return from work at 6 p.m. Since our time is set, we can now use the timer. If we want our house to be cooled or heated until we return, we press the timer on button and set the time to PM 5. After that, we confirm with the help of the reserve button. Now our air conditioner will turn on at 5 o'clock and will cool or heat our house until we return from work. To cancel these settings, you need to press the cancel button. Sometimes we want the air conditioner to turn off after a certain amount of time. For example, we want it to turn off at 5 a.m. For this, we press the timer off button and set it to AM 5. And press the reserve button to confirm. Our conditioner will turn off at 5 o'clock in the morning. We press the cancel button to exit the timer off mode. We close the remote control cover and return to sleep mode. With the help of this button, we can ensure that the air conditioner turns off after 1, 2, 3, and 7 hours. For example, if we press the sleep 2 hours button, it will show what time the air conditioner will turn off. Thank for you following us until the end.